Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we are with Silk Boss and Tjtorry. Yeah, Tjtorry and Silk Boss with Go Hard. That one I drop, I think about last week sometime. I did see it, but I never listened to it. Like me say, I was in the process of just taking a little break from it. But we're there now with it, so I'm going to jump in it and see what's going on, man. Let's go, man. Silk Boss. Yeah, Tjtorry with Go Hard. Let's go. Man looks so man. Blood clot. Boss jump asleep. I read the paper. Really been nice. Yeah.
She a say she want fuck with a killer. Ugly man like ghost in a thriller. She a say she want a male figure. Booking pan a
Rhythm, brother. Like an old school rhythm, dog. Not cover back. This sick, bro.
She a say she want fuck with a killer. Ugly man like ghost in a thriller.
All right.
She a say she want fuck with a killer. Ugly man like ghost in a thriller. She a say she want a male figure. Booking pan a villa. Fuck where she feelings gone for the nigga.
Yeah.
Gal cock it up in a bimmer. Them a shot and a stuck in a spinners.
Yeah.
She a bite pan me cocky like tigers. Bust her pum fat up and the killer can't see that. She say how? Come me up.
Yo, big up the production team. TJ, big up myself. Lord clock. Yo, the G are playing part right, you know. Man shirt, big your fuck.
She a say she want fuck with a killer. Ugly man like ghost in a thriller. She a say she want a male figure. Booking pan a villa. Fuck where she feelings gone for the nigga.
Alright.
Gal cock it up in a bimmer. Them a shot and a stuck in a spinners. She a bite pan me cocky like tigers. Bust her pum fat up and the killer can't see that. She say how? Can me have X-ray vision? She say wow. Gal you can't escape this ya. Turn up on her back and she be heading a pillar. Draws disappear, Miss a read, tongue wizard. She tell me go hard, I go home. Me a live in a hole, she a ball and a moan. I'm on a call, she a hang up the phone. Me big cocky tough in a jawbone.
Bobo Cla, I say big cocky tough in that jawbone. But hold on, no. The G are playing part right, you know. The G are playing the part of her uncle, you fuck. Yo!
I'm on a call, she a hang up the phone. Me big cocky
90s killer, this you know, 80s killer, you know.
She tell me go hard, I go home. Me a live in a hole, she a ball and a moan. I'm on a call, she
Mom, sticking up.
Me big cocky tough in a jawbone. Baby, I must see sex tape this year. She a joke balls like she play Issa. Every girl walk out with the phone, take a picture. If you know, say you know what, no stick in your mickle. Good pussy, there your mother bless you with her.
And every girl walk out if you know, say you no sick in your mickle. If you pump no sick.
She a joke balls like she play Issa. Every girl walk out with the phone, take a picture. If you know, say you know what, no stick in your mickle. That good pussy, there your mother bless you with her. Hard backers make your body get bigger. Your nipple stiff, but you make me cocky tiffer. She pussy lucky from me fuck me get richer. Tell the goat say a new Rami in and I'm a clocks, I'm a cookie from me fuck me get richer. Tell the goat say a new Rami in and I'm a clocks, I'm a coach, me say coach, say me skiller.
Man, so tell the God say one new Rami in here. One new Rami in here. One new stomach. Wait. Ramacan stomach can. One new joke right in here.
Tell the goat say one new Rami in here. I'm a clocks, I'm a coach, me say coach, say me skiller. Y'all wind up fast for the killer. Make your pum wetter than river. Me and dig feet gold with the picker. And I float like bees through a boat feet kidder. Left the wheel out to sea, bring me slimmer. She roll up in a me sheet like the spliffy. She tell me go hard, I go home.
Yeah.
Live in a hole, she a ball and a moan. I'm on a call, she a hang up the phone. Me big cocky tough in her jawbone. She tell me go hard, I go home. Me a live in a man a call, she a hang up his phone. Me big cocky tough in her jawbone. She tell me go hard I go. She tell me go hard I go.
Bumbo clock. New Rami guy with that.
She tell me go hard I go. She nah go.
Pass a G.
She can't go. Bumbo clock. DJ Tjtorry.
DJ Tjtorry, look at themselves, bro. Look at myself, DJ Tjtorry. Yo. Yeah. Yo, this bad. Still, big up yourself, G. Very creative. Big up the production team, better one. The rhythm sick, too. The rhythm bad. The rhythm crazy. Yeah. Them type of rhythm I mean like. Still, big up yourself. Big up moms we're in on the video, too. Good concept. Great concept. I get it. I like it. And the fact that the G a dream. Yeah. It says you want to fuck with that killer. Yeah, man. Active, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my G. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Sorry, Silk. You laugh after you, bro. You play your part so well. It's very convincing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, though. And I'll catch you guys in the next one still. Alright? Peace.